nami ngikhule nginemaphupho ngempilo. Njengabo bonke bantu nami ngadalwa tamtandla ngitifumbathile. Ngifumbathe impumelelo netinto lentophila ngato kulomhlaba. Sengisho kulomhlaba lohlabako nakangaka. Njengabo bonke bantu nami ngadalwa amehlo ngiwavalile. Ngiphupha emaphupho ngeyami impilo. Sengishola ngaphupha emaphupho. Ngathi mangiwavula amehlo ngatithela kuleli mhlophe lijazi ngasho ngimamatheka sengiyambona nebakithi wamake uyamamatheka umamathekiswa kubona ngempilo yami iphumelela ngasho ngilibukisisa futhi leli jazi sengiyadibona ngemehlo engqondo ngilimbethe leli jazi lebudokotela ngisho ngithi yangivuma nami impilo kantangabude langeni. Satan, full of cunningness, started plotting on how to snatch away our dreams. He planted seeds of doubt, fear and reluctance into my life. Bit by bit, my dreams started fading away like that. After everything, sesiphelele lithemba lekuthemba impilo. Ibese seyafika ingadla leletha lithemba labalahlekelwe lithemba. He replenishes us with new power and energy to continue striving for our dreams. Labo labathembele kuye abasoze bajabe. He gives us the power to continue working and fighting for our dreams. Those who are with him, their fire of hope never goes off. Turn to God with your dreams, and you shall never tire to fight for them. Turn to God with your dreams, and they'll be safely secured in his hands. Nami ngikhule nginemaphupho.